Hey guys, Christopher Polvoorde, professional race car driver and also one of the co-creators of the app Racing Redefined. Today I'm going to walk you through a few features of the Racing Redefined app. If you don't have it already, there's multiple ways you can view the Racing Redefined services. One thing is you can go into the App Store, whether you have an iPhone or Android, and type in Racing Redefined, download it, it's completely free. Or you can go onto your desktop, laptop, or you can go onto Safari on your phone and type in racingredefined.com and you can see all of your services there. First, I'm gonna walk you through the app version of this. This is the Apple version. The Android version handles very similarly. You have your phone here. You click on the Racing Redefined app. Once you pull in that, typically it's gonna put you onto a landing page and you can pick your event. Most times there's gonna be the one event going on. For this thing, we're gonna be looking at the SCORE International Baja 1000. This happened a couple weeks ago, but this is what we're showing as our example. Once you get on, you're gonna get to your landing page here. You got a few different things here. Results, your video multiviewer, your view live tracking map, sponsors, updates, and a few other things. There's a few things that we're really gonna dive into today. And that's gonna be your results, your map, and your video. First, we're gonna top on results. So you click on results, this is where you're gonna pull up all the people. Right now, since there's no race going on, but you can click on here, your different people, and see kind of all their different, so clicking on Christopher Polvoorde myself, at this point it said that I have finished. When you go on here, then you can swipe down and it's gonna show where I'm at on the map. So you can see I'm tracking right now, we have a simulation going. So I'm at race mile 20, you can click on here and it has all my splits of whatnot. You can also, from the same location on the app, you can click view videos and that's gonna pull up every video I have on my stream. So this one I had my main stream and then 2 helicopter streams. What's cool about this is you can change the different streams. So now we're jumping to the video multi-viewer. So this would be the same way to get to this. Another way would be go back to your home screen and you're gonna click on video multi-viewer. When you click onto that, it's gonna pop up. If you swipe up, it's gonna give you the option of everyone who has a stream going. Currently, I'm watching, so I'm gonna toggle a few on. So I'm going to turn on the SCORE main feed. I'm also going to turn on Alan Impudia because I want to watch his in-car and I want to watch Christopher Polvoorde's. I'm going to toggle on those three because I want to be watching the SCORE live stream, which is where everyone's videos are going to, but then I also want to be watching the in-car of Alan Impudia and Christopher Polvoorde because they were our race leaders and they were racing. So I wanted to see action of both. What's great about this is you can see all three in one spot. Kind of be able to create your own view. Say, oh, okay, Alan, I no longer want to see Alan. Swipe back up, toggle Alan off, and I want to see Robbie Gordon. Toggle him on. Boom. Okay, so now he's popped up. But then right now I'm hearing the audio of the SCORE main feed. But now I want to hear what Christopher's up to. I'm going to go onto here and scroll down to Christopher and click the audio. Oh, I have to turn you. So now I want to change the audio from going on the SCORE mainstream to now Christopher Polvoorde because I want to see what he's doing too. I'm going to swipe back up, scroll down, and I'm going to select his audio. Right now, since the videos aren't working because there's no live race going on, it doesn't allow me to change. But that's some of the cool features. Throughout, you can change who you're listening to and who you're viewing, kind of creating your own custom view. You want to watch the live stream, but then you also want to see where we all are on the map. Racing Redefined gives updates every 5 miles. So now you're here on the multi-viewer, but this is where it gets even better. You want to go and watch the map where you can see the live tracking, see everyone moving across the map, but also see the split times. Right here up in the top right-hand corner, right next to the X, there's a little window. You click on the window. Now that brings this main stream into anywhere you want. You can place it different places. So now you can go on here, click on your view tracking map. So you're able to track us. You know, you have full access to the map, which that map you can change from 2D to 3D, and then you can also change if you want a blank map, but my personal favorite is you go on and watch the Google Earth. At that point, then you have your stream here, and when the race is going on, you're going to be able to see everyone getting tracked. This is really where it's a game changer, kind of allows you to create your own experience, track everyone, get updates. Then you go across the bottom. So then you go across the bottom and you can click on the finishers, click on here, and you can see updates. What's really important is when you're looking at the updates to check which race mile you are at. So as the racers go on, you have race mile 30, 35, 40, 45. These are constantly switching. But if you want to go back and look at, okay, where was Alan Impudia and Christopher Polvoorde time split at race mile 40? You can click on there while also watching the live stream and see, oh wow, Alan Impudia was 18 seconds ahead of Christopher on corrected time. If you jump back onto the main thing, when in doubt, always just go back to the info and you can kind of see different options. But that's a quick tutorial on how to use the Racing Redefined, and we're continuing to make this easier and easier to use. Soon we'll have a 5-view option where you can view 5 people at once, all while watching the race.